Want to speak real Afrikaans from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at afrikaanspod101.com.
Hello, I'm Christine. We're here to do some Afrikaans in today's lesson, 10 things to do in the summer in South Africa, which is wonderful because today is such a summery day. I'm sitting in the park, enjoying myself, talking to you guys, teaching some Afrikaans. So let's see what other things you could do if you ever happen to be here in the summer. Reis in die buiteland. To travel abroad. Ek hou daarvan om in die buiteland te reis. I like to travel abroad. I love to travel abroad, and I bet you do too. I mean, I think everyone does. If South Africa is abroad for you, then you'll love it even more to travel abroad over here and do all the things and see all the places and meet all the people. And yeah, traveling's the best. You're seeing new cultures, learning new languages like Afrikaans. Reis, travel, do it all the way, all the time, as much as you can, while you can. Ontspan op die strand. To relax at the beach. Hulle geniet dit om elke dag op die strand te ontspan. They like to relax on the beach every day. Who doesn't like to relax on the beach every day? On a sunny, wonderful day where it's not too hot, it's not too cold, we're just in the perfect temperature. The water's a bit cold over here, depends on which strand you go to, but ontspan op die strand is such a summery thing, such a thing that you should definitely know how to say if you're planning on spending the summer in South Africa, because a lot of us do it. There's a lot of these surfer people everywhere. So enjoy it. Enjoy your ontspanning op die strand. Om Afrikaans te leer op afrikaanspod101.com. To learn Afrikaans on afrikaanspod101.com. Dit is lekker om Afrikaans te leer met afrikaanspod101.com. It is fun to learn Afrikaans on afrikaanspod101.com. Well, of course it is. We're here right now, aren't we? I'm in summer, isn't it? So if you're here, watch these videos, learn these things. In the summer, it's lekker te leer Afrikaans and on afrikaanspod101.com. And then you can go out in the evening or in the day or the next day and use the things that you've learned. So what a better time to do it is when you're here, and what a better time to be here than in the summer. Om te leer Suid-Afrikaanse kos te maak. To learn to cook South African food. Sy moet leer hoe om Suid-Afrikaanse kos te maak. She has to learn how to cook South African food. I think everyone should learn how to cook South African food because South African food is yummy. There's so many, we're quite big on the meats and the veggies and the yummy barbecued dishes. So I think it's a must. It's a love. And it's a great thing to do. It's good to learn it. It's good to eat it. So if you learn it, you can make it and eat it. So it's a win-win. 'n braai te hê. To have a barbecue. Dit is lekker om elke naweek te braai. It's nice to have a barbecue every weekend. If you're South African, you definitely will be having a braai every weekend. I know I do. It's such a thing, like I was just saying about the meat on the barbecue. It's very, very South African, and you can't come to South Africa or you can't know South African people who don't have a braai elke naweek. It's just great atmosphere, great jol, have some drink in the hand, the sun in the sky, braai. Very, very lovely. Nice memories to make, nice memories to remember. Just have a braai. Partytjie die hele nag. To party all night. Om te partytjie die hele nag is meer vir jong mense. Partying all night is more of a young person's thing. I agree to a certain extent. It is definitely younger people who like to partytjie die hele nag. But if you're feeling wild, if you're feeling free, if you're feeling like you want to get out there a little bit, why not? Do it. Even if you're not young, go out and partytjie die hele nag, especially if you're on holiday here in South Africa. By partytjieing the hele nag, you'll be able to meet loads of new people, see loads of new things, learn of more things to do in South Africa while you're here. Om te gaan stap. To go hiking. Ons moet kaartjies kry om te gaan stap. We have to get tickets to go hiking. There's a lot of hikes to do here in South Africa, especially in Cape Town. And I guess everywhere else. They're beautiful. There's such beautiful mountains all around us and beautiful trails, and definitely go get some kaartjies and gaan stap. Om deeltydse werk te hê. To work a part-time job. Dit is lekker om deeltydse werk te hê. It is fun to have a part-time job. Yes, of course it is, especially if it's a summer job and you're working in a restaurant a couple of hours, earning some extra money to spend that night. It's definitely lekker om 'n deeltydse werk te hê. Om pret te hê met vriende. To have fun with friends. Die beste naweek is om pret te hê met vriende. The best is to have fun with friends. Of course, that's the best thing to do. If you're traveling in South Africa in summer and you've got your friends with you, it's definitely die beste om pret te hê met vriende. Bly binne en blaai deur die internet. To stay inside and browse the internet. Dit is lekker om binne te bly en die internet deur te blaai. It is fun to stay inside and browse the internet. Of course it is. Most people think it's more of a winter thing because it's cold outside and you're staying inside all cozy in bed, you're on the internet, but actually in summertime, if you've had a long day at the beach and then the next day you're a little bit sunburned, you're so tired, you're tired from that long night's partying, it's also nice sometimes in summer to just stay at home, browse the internet, watch some movies and have a good time. So we've reached the end of today's lesson of 10 things to do in the summer in South Africa. Hopefully you're here next summer. Summer's ending right now, but come here in summertime, do all those things, send us photos of those experiences, send us photos of you videoing yourself saying those things when you're doing the experiences so we can see that you've been learning. So comment down below, like, subscribe, and just keep learning Afrikaans with afrikaanspod101.com.